Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
I will walk you through automating Telegram messages step by step starting now. You need a Telegram account and a computer or VPS with internet access. Install Python 3, 10, or Node 18 and prepare your environment. Open Bot Father in Telegram and create a new bot to receive an API token. Save that token securely and enable two-factor authentication on your account for safety. Decide between polling and webhook delivery, and pick the method that matches your hosting and reliability needs. Start by opening Bot Father in your Telegram app and sending the command /newbot. Provide a concise bot name and a unique username that ends with bot. Bot Father will return an API token. Copy it and store the token securely in an environment variable on your system. In Bot Father, adjust privacy mode and command list to control message visibility. If you plan to use webhooks, set a webhook URL that points to your HTTPS endpoint now. Write a script using Python Telegram Bot Library or Node Telegram Bot API to send messages programmatically. Include the API token from your environment variable and a numeric chat ID for the target chat. Choose polling for simple setups or set an HTTPS webhook for immediate delivery and lower latency. Use cron on Linux or Cloud Scheduler on cloud providers to run the script at scheduled times. Test with a test chat ID. Confirm delivery and monitor logs for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.